What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be fixing one of my least favorite things about my third gen, and honestly about pretty much any third gen, and that is the cloth interior. So follow along, we're going to be doing a full leather swap on this truck, but it's not what you think. We're actually not going to be doing new seats. We're not going to be doing fourth gen seats. We're going to be using the original seats out of this truck and just recovering them with Katzkin. Let's check this out.
I'm Andrew, and I'm setting out to make better videos for diesel enthusiasts. Follow along as I review products, do how-tos, and share my personal trucks here on Just Diesels.
So hands down, probably my least favorite thing about my third gen, and this goes way back to when I first bought my third gen back in like 2013 or so, which was my original third gen that I had in 06 as well, is the interior. If you own one of these trucks, you know the cloth seats in these trucks, I don't know how they do it. They are just a magnet for dirt and stains. I'm always out mountain biking, snowboarding, hiking, doing things in the outdoors, and I'm always getting my seats dirty, either with sweat stains or mud stains or dirt. And despite me cleaning this interior all the time, they always look filthy. Now that I have a kid, the backseat is even more hopeless. So I figured it was about time to actually make an upgrade on this truck. But it took me a long time because I could not decide what direction I wanted to go with things. I was really trying to figure out if I wanted to go like with a full like tan leather interior, if I wanted to keep it more OEM looking, and I was totally on the fence and I could not decide. So for years, I kind of just sat there staring at the truck, trying to figure out what direction to take it. And finally, I decided to kind of go with an OEM approach. After weighing different options and looking at different companies that do this, I ended up settling on Katzkin. Now, Katzkin is actually kind of cool. They have a configurator on their website. And for this particular truck, it doesn't work quite as well because it's just older. So if you just plug in that you have like a 2015 or 2018 Ram, you get a much better idea of what the seats look like when you're configuring it. But you can actually go through here and change all the different colors. You can have a ton of different options. You can do stitching, you can change the perforation, you can change the insert color, the outsert color, like all kinds of different stuff on the seats. So I played with this for a few days trying to figure out what direction I wanted to take on the truck. Ended up settling for a light gray outer and a charcoal gray interior. The whole plan here was to basically match the look of the truck while also kind of keeping the interior as bright as possible. Originally, I was gonna go for the darker color on the outside, but I wanted to keep the seats as light as possible, kind of make the interior feel a little bit bigger. One of those little tricky design aspects, but kind of keep the interior as bright and light as possible. Now, the way Katzkin does their seats is that they don't actually just ship you the leather. They actually set you up with an installer. So once you've done the configuration on their website, you send out for a quote and they will actually set you up with an installer that will do the install for you. So they set me up with Autotronica here in Los Angeles. That was the closest installer. They're over in Orange County, but they did an awesome job and basically knocked out my truck in a single day. Watching the team at Autotronica work was really cool. You can tell that these guys have done a million of these seats, and within about 10 minutes, they had all the seats stripped down and they were already recovering them. It was actually hard for me to keep up with the filming process because they were so fast at getting this done. These guys can absolutely knock these things out in their sleep. But it was actually nice because since my truck has only 40,000 miles, we were able to reuse all the factory seat foam. So that made the install actually really quick. Basically all it was cutting off the old cloth covers and sliding over the new leather ones. These leather ones come pre-done, pre-stitched, and pre-set up from Katzkin's, and they ship in a box. So essentially from there, all you have to do is slide the cover over the seat, do some fitting, do some final pulling and tugging, but they're pretty dang close to ready to install out of the box. As you can see, I opted for a very, very factory looking appearance on this leather. I could have gone with perforated leather. I could have gone with a cool like cross stitch pattern. I could have done a lot of stuff, but what I really wanted was for these seats to look like they were factory. At the end of the day, I think that's kind of what stands the test of time on these trucks, as there's lots of cool colors and trendy things and all kinds of stuff that you can do. But in terms of something that will look good in 20 years from now, and this truck is 20 years old now, I think something that looks very factory is ultimately what's the best. I maybe might regret the perforation on the seats. I ended up not going for perforated seats, but my goal there was just to make them easier to clean. I figured if they were unperforated, that made them a lot easier to clean. They don't get dirt and stuff and debris in those little tiny holes. So while they don't breathe as well when you're sitting on them in a pair of shorts, I do think that was probably the better option for me and my usage because I am getting in them after mountain biking and things like that. So you have all these functional choices. So I think that's what's really cool about doing Katzkin seats, or really any of these like custom seats, is that you have full control over what the actual end product is and looks like. Speaking of which, let's take a look at the before and after transformation on this truck. So as this truck sat, these were actually pretty clean seats, but they did have their stains, they had their annoying features, and I was really excited to transform this truck with a full leather interior. I gotta say, it looks incredible. The fit, finish, everything about it looks really nice. I was a little skeptical and I was trying to decide whether to do one of these pre-done seat companies or do like a full custom leather interior. But the gap in cost between doing something like Katzkin and doing something full custom is huge. And it just wasn't realistic for when the end product looks this good, in my 2 cents. I've had a couple friends do these ones as well, and the outcome is awesome. The fit, finish, everything about these is really fantastic. And I gotta say, I'm super happy with how these turned out. They're also very comfortable to sit on, and they just really transformed the look of this truck. They took it from being a really nice, clean truck to looking like a very, very nice, clean truck. You hop in here, it has that leather smell, has that leather look. I'm really happy with how these turned out. And I gotta say, they are extremely easy to clean. Now suddenly I'm able to just wipe them clean instead of having to sit there scrubbing, getting out the vacuum extractor, fighting with the cloth seats. Now nothing absorbs into the seats. If I have sweat on my back, things like that, it just goes onto leather and I can easily clean it off. About my only complaint with this process is that it's really hard to see pricing for things. So Katzkin sets it up so that you have the configurator online and you get a quote, but you can't exactly see how pricing changes. Let's say if I wanted to do perforation on the seats, or if I wanted to do this color or that color, or this special, embossed leather, things like that. It's hard to kind of see pricing on that. You actually have to chat back and forth with someone either on the phone or online. So I do wish it was a little more transparent on the pricing of this, but outside of that, I really have no complaints. In terms of getting this done, it was literally as easy as picking the colors I wanted, clicking go, getting a quote, and driving to the shop to have it installed. Literally within the span of a couple of days, I basically went from having a truck with a cloth interior to a truck with a leather interior, and that was really cool to me. So I'm curious to know what you guys think. Let me know how you think it turned out. If I should have gone tan leather, I know that was basically the other thing I was sitting on the fence about, was doing tan leather, but I felt like if I did that, I would have to dye the door cards, dye the dash, things like that. And that starts getting a little more crazy, a little more pricey. And I just feel like I kind of mess with the originality of this truck. To me, I'm trying to tread this fine line on this truck where I'm kind of trying to maintain originality, not, modify things too far and kind of make it so I can go back if needed to, but also kind of keep the truck a little cooler than stock. So this, I thought, kind of walked that line perfectly of being a little nicer than stock, but still kind of, fitting within that OEM feel. So let me know how you guys think this turned out, but I am absolutely thrilled with these Katzkin seats. And I'll be updating you guys also on a long-term review of these, how they're holding up, if they're wearing, getting holes, anything like that. But for now, I am thrilled. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.